This is exactly how I was able to fix lag on my Minecraft mobile app. So what I had to do is to click on the three lines right here, as you can see on my Minecraft mobile app, and then click on settings right here. So now on settings, just scroll down and then click on video settings right here. So now on this page, just scroll down until you can see shadow quality here. Set it to low. The cloud range needs to be on low as well, as you can see the lowest setting. The volumetric fog quality, set this one to low. Reflections also low, very important. And now when you come to the render distance right here, so this is actually going to be the most important settings for us to actually check. So if you have it set really high, as I do right now, you have to set it to lower, so 4 chunks. This will not only fix lag on your Minecraft mobile app, this will also prevent it from crashing as well. So if you have crashing issues as well, this you have to really lower this one right here. So I did all of those right here and it hasn't lagged for me whatsoever after that. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.